Alright guys, we're doing part 2 of Piano Song by Erasure. And I'll probably just do the intro, the first 2 boxes for the part 1. So let's do part 2 starting right here. Alright, and the singing started already here because it's 4 plus 2. So 4 is the intro, and then 2 times when the singing starts, and then the singing continues through here. We'll just continue that pattern with 3 in the left, 1 in the right for a little while. And that'll be A, E, A in the left, 5, 2, 1. And then we'll come in with the right hand on an A chord, C sharp, E, A. Play it 1, 2, 5, I guess. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now make sure you hold it long enough. A lot of times people, when they mess up counting, it's because they don't hold something long enough, usually. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So wait all the way to count 1 before you go here. So this was an A chord, A major. This will be an F sharp minor chord. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp in the left. 5, 2, 1 again. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Then the right hand will come in with C sharp, F sharp, and A. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now on this chord we go back and play the A major chord again. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then we'll go up here. And then we'll do a B major chord, B, F sharp, B, and then the right hand will come in with D sharp, F sharp, and B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we'll go 1 and 2, 3, 4. So this measure is a little different. Okay, so let's learn it. B, F sharp with 5, 2. And then just to keep with the same pattern in the left hand, you could put a B there. Okay, so you could go B, F sharp, B. But when you do that B on the thumb on the left hand, you want to play D, F sharp, B on the right, and then D, F sharp, A. See, the top note changes, the bottom 2 stay the same. Then we go to A with our 4th finger, and then we go to G sharp with our 3rd finger. But notice the D sharp and the F sharp stay the same with 1 and 2. They're just straight quarter notes. 1 and 2, 3, 4. These are 8th notes and these are quarters. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now let's tie this together. Let's start right here and go all the way to the double bar, okay? Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, 4. All right, and then we start a different pattern here, sort of the same, a little different. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, these 2 boxes are kind of going to go together because they're C sharp minor. One's just a regular C sharp minor chord, and the next one is a suspended chord. But we start with left hand on C sharp octave, bump, bump, with 5, 1, 1 and 2. So you don't hold it very long, it's just a quarter note. 8th, 8th quarter. In fact, I could have made these 2 one box. But here's the next one, C sharp, then it's C sharp, E, F sharp. Notice the top note goes down from G sharp to F sharp. But it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now let's go to a B chord. So we move down, left hand to a B, B, B. And the right hand will start with the suspended chord, B, E, F sharp. You could do that with 1, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. But it's 1 and 2. And then you go B, B again, and then you change the middle E to a D sharp, and then you get B, D sharp, F sharp. Just a regular B chord. So let's do these 4 boxes together. Ready and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So we have kind of a melody on top. Do, 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 do. look at that. Left hand is going to start with A flat with 5, 1, 1, and count 2 will be A flat, C, E flat, 1 and 2. Then we'll have A flat. See how we're changing the top? See how the C, or the A flat and the C with 1 and 2 stay the whole time? So don't change those. So starting right there, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm sorry, starting here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are slow. And then we're going to go bump, bump, bump. Now this is the only time that the left hand octave and a fifth goes down and descends instead of ascending. So A, E, A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's A, C sharp, E. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And right there. Ba, 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 ba. Alright, let's do this section here. Let's start right here at the double bar and go all the way to this double bar, okay? Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think it's a little louder there, so play that a little louder. Now, we get to this section which goes... Played those 3 boxes right there. You're going to do those 3 boxes 2 1/3 times or 2.3 times. What I mean by that is you play it one time and play it again for the second time, but when you go back for the third time you only play 1 box, and that's the third, right? If you have 3 parts and you have one out of 3, that's 1/3. So 1, 2, 1/3. You're going to play this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one more time is what that means. That's why I write 2 1/3. All right. So let's learn the notes. These notes are just like when you did this box here in part 1 that I've yet to record, but it's okay. It's the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C sharp minor. But this something new. So E flat, 5, 1, count 1 and the and of 1, then count 2 will be C, E flat, G flat. Okay? 1 and 2. And then we have C, C, and then we play the same chord, C, E flat, G flat. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's all you do. So let's do this. Let's play it 2 1/3 times. Ready and go. Here's the second time. 3 and 4 and. Here's the third. Ba, 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 ba. Then we're going to do this. Let's see. That, but I'll play it better as we learn it. I had to remember it. Let me explain my writing. Okay. What happens here is the left hand is going to play this, but it's going to play all of it. It's going to play the left hand part and the right hand part. So what might have happened, I'm sorry. Let's stop the lesson and then we'll continue.